Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to heel toe. This move is very easy to learn and you'll learn it quickly guys, don't worry about it. Just watch this tutorial and I'll hope that you'll get this. So let me break down the move for you guys. It would be easier to practice on a smoother surface, just so that you can get the sliding a bit better and the balance to be a bit better too. Before you start the move guys, it would be good to stretch your ankles out. Rotate them and make them nice, just to avoid any injuries while you're doing the move. When doing this move, bend your knees down slightly. It will work out better for this move. So you start with 1 foot forward and 1 foot back, and the front foot on the heel and the back foot on the toe, and you slide to the other direction like this. And now you switch over and you slide to the other direction like this. Make sure that you get a comfortable position on your heel and also a comfortable position on your toes so you can balance. So practice sliding with the heel and the toe. So the jump comes in when you switch both feet like this. So once you get the jump involved, all it is jump, switch, turn, jump, switch, turn, jump, switch, turn, jump, switch, turn. So once you get the jump into the move, now you can start going a bit quicker, like this. So guys, once you learnt the move, I want to show you this routine, which involves all the moves I've shown in my videos so far. So look back through my previous videos and have a go and practice those moves and try and get this routine, and let me know in the comments if you got it.
Anytime, any place. Meet me in the trail, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trail.
Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorials coming up.